How to serve a created temp file in Django. I have a remote storage project that when the user requests his file, the Django server retrieves and stores the file locally, for some processing, as a temporary file and then serves it to the user with modx send file. I certainly want the temp file to be deleted after it is served to the user. The documentation states that the temporary file delete argument, if set to false, leads to deletion of the file after that all the references are gone. But when the user is served the temp file, it doesn't get deleted. If I set the delete equals true in case of downloading, I get that the requested URL /serversegment/test.jpg/ was not found on this server. Here is a view to list the user files. This is the view which retrieves, stores temporarily, and serves the requested file. I guess if I could manage to return the response inside with the statement and after that, the last chunk was written, it would work as I want, but I found no solution regarding how to determine if we are in the last loop without being hackish. What should I do to serve the temp file and have it deleted right after?
Any file created by tempfile will be deleted once the file handler is closed. In your case, when you exit the with statement. The delete equals false argument prevent this behavior and let the deletion up to the application. You can delete the file after it's been sent by registering a signal handler that will unlink the file once response is sent. Your example does nothing on the file, so you might want to stream the content directly with streaming response or file response. But as you said you stores the file locally, for some processing, I would suggest thinking on doing the processing without any temporary file created and only work with streams.
Adding a generalized answer, based on serials, that avoids using signals by doing the cleanup in a finally block. While the directory entry is deleted by os.remove on the way out, the underlying file remains open until file response closes it. You can check this by inspecting response._closable_objects0.filename in the finally block with pdb, and checking open files with lsof in another terminal while it's paused. It looks like it's important that you're on a Unix system if you're going to use this solution. See os.remove docs. This URL.
Disposable files. The solution to the question is to not use within the named temporary file, and handle exceptions. Currently your file is being deleted before your read. At the end return. The temporary file will be closed when the read is complete and therefore deleted. Non-disposable files. For those who stumble across do not have an automatically disposable file handle. From the other answers, signals seem to be a reasonable solution, however passing data required altering protected members. I was unsure how supported it would be in the future. I also found that WHP's solution did not work in the current version of Django. The most future-proof version I could come up with was monkey patching the file output so the file is deleted unclose. Django closes the file handles at the end of sending the file and I can't see that changing.
Bonjour.